architecture also. Design of earthing grounding system. You can see this profile also here. Let me zoom this. This profile you can see. This this below side, here, right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Photo is taken by this IEEE basic soft situations. Remote earth, zero voltage. Okay. Then here, rod is coming. Suppose then this is the E 1 meter distance. So this difference is ET, EM. EM is the maximum mesh voltage. It is the mesh voltage. It is the touch voltage. It is the mesh voltage. So you, it's this is the GPR, ground potential rise. Here we have the zero voltage, and here this much, how much the voltage increase of the system, so that we are telling as the GPR. So this voltage is the GPR voltage, surface potential profile. Surface potential. It means in the surface, in this on the surface, we have the inside the surface we have the two voltage. When if there is when the rod is coming, then voltage will increase. When the natural swell is coming, then voltage will decrease. Right now, hope it is right or not. So when this rod is coming, when this rod is coming, so this rod, because this rod is the conductor, so the conductor have the higher voltage, and this soil is again have the lower voltage or zero voltage, or the voltage will reduce in the soil, then again it will increase. Anyone can please follow me, Venkat, Sahu,
Yes, yes.
whether I am, this point is clear or not, that why I'm telling that please follow me. Sahu,
Yes, yes, sir.
clear now. Venkat, you also agree? Priyadarsan, Vinod.
Repeat once again.
Yeah, I'm telling to another to repeat. Sahu, can you repeat? Or Vinod, can you please repeat for the Joshi?
Sorry, can you draw in whiteboard? In whiteboard, how it's wave rise and down.
Let the Sahu and others explain. I'm putting myself in the mute for the. Yes, Sahu.
Sir, due to sir this step and touch potential, the GPR will be increase or decrease accordingly.
Yeah, no, not due to the step and touch potential, due to the GPR. Because
GPR,
what
sorry.
happens? This here we have the conductor. Joshi.
Yes.
Yes, there should be some GPR,
Yeah. So
some resistance.
yeah. So when we have the conductor, here we have the conductor.
Right.
So the conductor current is flowing like 40 kiloampere. Suppose you can say this have 0.5 ohm. So 40 into 0.5 ohm, it will give around 20,000 voltage right now.
Yes,
Right.
So here we have the 20 kilo voltage, and here when the ground, then we have the less voltage, or we can say zero voltage.
Yeah.
Here we have 20 kilo voltage, 20,000 voltage. Here zero voltage. So
Right.
what is happening? So at this point we have the 20 kilo voltage. Here we have the zero voltage. Suppose
Yes.
my one leg is on 20 kilo voltage rod, and my one leg is on the zero voltage ground. Right
yes,
now.
yes.
Okay. Right.
So here V1 and here we have the V2.
Yes.
So
Potential
due to
difference create.
so due to the potential difference, a current will flow from the higher potential to the lower potential, right now.
Yes,
So due to this current, that will flow through through the leg of the person, there is a step potential will develop between these two
Right.
legs. This potential we are referring as the step potential.
Got it.
Step potential, why occurring, why developing? This is developing due to the GPR. Correct?
yes,
Am I?
yes, yes, sir.
Yeah. So what I will do now, I will calculate that. How much step potential a person can tolerate without death, how much potential a person can withstand, and when the fault is occurring, then how much step potential is developing, because we cannot stop this step potential. It will develop, but how much developing when the fault is occurring, and whether this developed step potential is below to the tolerable step potential or withstand step potential of the person or not. If less, then earthing is safe. If not, then earthing is not safe. We have the